Good day everyone. Today I'll be taking us through the making of this bag. It's called the flexweave backpack. So this one is so rough. So let's go through the making. So in making this bag, from your leather, you cut 18 inches. Okay, so this is 18 and a half inches by 13 and a half. 18 and a half by 13 and a half. So from your 18 and a half by 13 and a half, this is it. So you place it like this. So you measure 6 inches. From here, you have 6 inches. If you measure 6 inches, you mark it. You come here, that is horizontally. Vertically, you measure 6 inches too. You mark it. After doing that, from the 6 inches you measure here and here, then you just make a freehand sketch down like this. I don't know, the material is black. Hope you can see it. Hope you can see the freehand sketch. If you cannot, that's why I'm saying it. So you simply cut out like this. So you have something like this. So I haven't gotten something like this. You simply place it like this. If you place it like this, then to get the other side. So you can see, you simply trace it out like this, then you cut it like this. This is the shape of your bag. This is how you're going to have it. Can you see it? This is the shape of your bag. So the next thing we'll be doing now, because this is the back panel. So it's the back panel you use to get your front panel. So to get the measurement of the front panel now. So once you get the measurement of the front panel, I told you this one we just did is the back panel. So you just fold it into two, like we did earlier, like this. So you simply come, take your tape, you place it here. So you measure from here to here, like this. So this is 27 inches. So if you measure on your own, whatever it gives you, because you are still going to trim it out. So mine gave me 27 inches. And remember, the total length we used here was 18 and a half. For my 18 and a half, I want the boxy part of the bag to be 4.25, 4.25. So the width of the bag at the front, I want to take 9 inches for it. What I mean is, I want the boxy part to be 4.25, 4.25. So let me measure 4.25. Yeah, 4.25. This is 4.25. And I'll do the same thing here. 4.25. So the remaining part from the 4.25, okay, 4.25, 4.25, I'm left with 9 and a half here. Can you see? Depends on the length you use. So whatever you are left with. So I'm left with 9 and a half. Automatically, 9 and a half will be the breadth of my bag. And you know, when we took the measurement like this, that time I got 27. That means I'm going to cut 27 by 9 and a half. If you are doing it, you need to write it somewhere. 27 by 9.5. Do you understand? 27 by 9.5. That's going to be your front panel. So let me cut that. So here is my 27 by 9.5, which is my front panel. and this is my back panel. So these are the 2 pieces I'll be needing to make this bag. So the next thing I'll do now, like we usually do when making a simple lunch bag, so I'll cut foam and lining for the 2 and I'll sew together. So after cutting foam and lining for the 2, I'll sew together, then we'll continue. Before putting foam and lining and sew, this is my front panel, the rectangular shaped one. So you measure 2.5. You mark 2.5 here. Why is my pen like this? 2.5. You can mark 2, you can mark 2.5. You mark 2.5 here. You mark another 2.5 here. Then you use your free hand, just the way you did it the other time. 2.5, 2.5. Use your free hand to join it. Then you cut it. So after cutting it, you do the same thing here. So you just fold it into 2. So you trace it out like this. Can you see? You fold it, then you trace it out, then you cut. You can decide to use 2. So you have something like this. Can you see? So I'm putting my foam and lining and I'll sew. So as you can see, I've used foam and lining on it and I've sewn. Normal routine for making of a lunch bag. Same way, foam and lining. Then the next thing we'll do now, I need to put a pocket. Wow, where is that bag? Okay. I want to add pockets to my work. So the pocket I want to add, let me do it like this. So if you want to put pocket on your cartoon character, before anything, the first thing you would simply do is you measure 7 inches from the top here. You measure 7 inches. So from 7 inches, you can put anything you want to put under. Just measure that 7 inches. So after 7 inches, put every design, pocket, cartoon character, or anything. This is the cartoon character I want to put. And I want to also put pockets. That means I'm going to put my cartoon character. After cutting my pocket, I'll first of all sew it on my pockets. Before sewing it to the main body. So because I have a cartoon character I want to use, I'll just use this size for the measurement of my pocket. And my cartoon character, the size is, this is 8.5 by 10.5. So I'll measure 8.5 by 10.5 and sew it on top. I will still have to trim because this one is 9.5. Because this is 9.5. So I'll have to trim. So that is that about pocket. Remember here, we measured 4.2 out, 4.25 out, 4.25 out. Before we got the remaining as 9.5, which we used to cut our body by 27. The initial measurement we got by doing it like this. So the next thing we will do now, so it's going to have a small pocket here, like 2 small pockets. One will be here and one will be here. So it is those pockets that will hold the belt of the backpack. You know, it's a flexweave backpack. So that means for the small pocket, we are going to cut, okay, 4.25. That means we are going to cut, let me say 4.5 by, let me say 5. Or okay, let's even cut 5 by 5. We cut a square of 5 by 5 for the pockets. 5 by 5 for the pockets. So let me do that. So I've cut it out. This is my 5 by 5, 2 pieces that I'll use for the 2 pockets here. And this is my pockets. I told you the size of this. I made it a little big, like 2 and 0.2 wide, as well as it will be convenient for me sewing. So let me just go and sew this. Sorry, when I move to the sewing proper, I will be doing the recording on the sewing machine. Okay, so don't worry, those are minor sewing.